Hold up, Sal. I'm making I'm making the montage right now. Well, I'm editing it. Hold up, I'm recording it right now. It's recording. I edit that. I edited that other one that was on YouTube. What you laughing at? What? What's that? What is that on Instagram? What's that? Who? Your big brother? Your big brother seems nice. Hey, what kind of phone is it? Is it like Android? It's a Kick, dude. It's Kick. We had this exact same conversation yesterday. Yeah, you did. Last night you were like, do you have a kike? Oh, look at that headshot. Oh, look at that double kill. I know. Did you get that? Did you get those videos? Did you see the videos on YouTube? Wow. This is going on it. I'm recording it right now. Yeah. 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 Yeah, it's spelled just like my username, but a space beside between fuse. Phase and fuse. Yeah. Oh, damn. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. This is going on too. 4. No, the first one sucks. Look at like the second one, episode 2. Yo, episode 2 is a beast. But it's not me. I edit the video, like I put the yeah, I put all of that, but I put the music and I put the little like visions on it. Like I edit the whole thing. It's just the only thing I didn't do is the shooting part. You see that? Did you see that bloodthirsty? Oh, it should be coming up. Ooh, that double kill. As soon as I upload this, I have to edit it because I'm talking right all through it. Yeah. Yeah. I know, huh? Hey, subscribe to it, alright?